been so tired. I see. Really now? Upper 6, eh? Unfortunately, that would be the lowest of the upper ranks. Well, 6 or not, you still defeated an upper rank, so I believe congratulations are in order. Though it was 6. I guess you've earned some praise.
I don't know if that was a compliment or not, but thanks.
What is it? You took your sweet time getting...
Look at this thing. Muddy. Paws all muddy. Come here, Zuki. Wow, look at you. Look at them paws. Look at you. You look like a rejected Dalmatian. No, I don't want none of your mud. Ew. Look at you. I hope you find a chill ride home. You better not get over. Oh, you son of a gun. You son of a biscuit eating bulldog. Right back into it. Right back into it. Wow, just the disrespect. Just back and forth, huh? Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you dead? Hello?
With Bo in custody, detectives hope they finally found Tawana's killer. A possibility that proves even more likely
Okay,
to make
well,
a shocking discovery.
dead kitties don't do all of that.
She did. No weapon. No nothing. So, how do you get rid of cops?
It appears investigators are one step closer to solving the murder of Tawana Barnes Copeland. But a shocking revelation will soon lead detectives to wonder, are they staring down Tawana's killer? Or... After ruling out several suspects, including her daughter Kiana and her boyfriend turned roommate Sean Davis, police now believe Tawana's new love interest, Bo, aka
Okay, well, all right. Well, I thought we were having a good time. I'm out. I thought we were. No, I do not want to play with you. Look, go to sleep. Go back to sleep. Why are you guys?
In half a mile, turn left.
You're like, what is that? Honey, Why you just be letting me just hold you any old kind of way?